Day 2 of this cold and frosty weather. It's fantastic home. Follow me. Come on, you guys. Through the tunnel of love. Yeah? Through the tunnel of love. Tilly! Tilly! Come on, you baby. That's my girl. This is her. Oh, she's so cute. What does I say, Sadie? Sadie, wait. Yay, 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 yay. Oh, she's eating again a stone. Come on, we'll go this way. This way. Come on, girl. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. This way. Tip. Tip. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, look at that. Ozzy, come on. Come on by, Oswald. Let's have a little tittle of you. Hello, Amy, sweetie pie. Look at her, full of crack here. That's it. Hey, come on, baby. Tilly, I've never seen, honestly, she's a 2-year-old, this dog, in an 11-year-old body. Now she's got her pills. Come on. Hey, Tom. Hey, bloody Tom. You fool. Come on. Look at that. Right, we'll go in here. Oh, and this fab. I love how this frost has formed on everything. Isn't it brilliant? You can see right over there with ducks, can you, Jim? It's stunning. Tip fab. Come on. If we carry on through here, there'll be another tunnel of love under here. Red horse. I mean, oi! Solid that road. Maybe it is. That's a little right. Let me go. You plonk at my fingers under.